What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're doing an awesome mod for the Tacoma. It's gonna be subtle. Try to comment down below what you think the last of the chrome is for the truck as we get a remote cold startup. The only drawback to the remote start is it shuts off when you open the door, but that is a safety feature as we get yet another cold startup here. Let's see if your guess was correct. I have the new box. Oop. Okay, maybe not. I thought I hit unlock. Take two. I have the box in the bed of the truck here. This is a pretty small box, but it's gonna have a pretty big impact on the Tacoma because like I said earlier, and as the title of the video suggests, I am deleting the last of the chrome for the truck. So these are LED turn signals for the truck. These are from Tacomabeast.com. I'll have all their information down in the description below. If you guys are followers of our channel, you'll know I have a lot of parts for the truck from Tacomabeast. They definitely are your one-stop shop for parts. So like I said, these are smoked out. I cannot wait to do this. I also have a mini surprise that we're gonna do along with this install, but I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the plastic, really see how they look. Dude, those are gonna look so good.
Yeah,
let's go compare them right now. So that's how they're gonna look. This is the last chrome on the truck, and that's gonna give it a really cool look. So the first thing that we have to do is pop off this cap here, and I'm not exactly sure how to do that. So I've never done this before, but apparently this whole cap here, I guess there's just some tabs that are in it, and I'm just kind of wiggling it. I'm not doing anything harsh, but yeah, it looks like it should just come off.
I feel like, yeah, right here it's getting off.
Obviously I don't want to break anything. Now obviously it'll, I say obviously a lot, do you notice that?
You obviously do.
I obviously do. It's going to be easier to do the other side once I figure this out.
I feel like right there and you gotta get your fingers like in it but without cracking anything.
Yeah, I know, that's the hard part. Because it's coming out right there. So we're getting there. Yeah. It's like I just got to clear this plastic with the housing of the actual mirror. Oh, there we go. We got that side out. This is the hardest one because I don't want to pull up here and like snap it down there, you know? Oh, I broke it.
Yeah. Where?
I snapped it. Oh, there's a line on this side too.
Yeah, where?
Woo.
Yeah, that was already like that.
See this line right here?
Yeah.
See this black plastic here?
Yeah, that was already like that.
But does it, like, come look at it. Doesn't that look like I just snapped it right off?
Yeah, I mean, I already saw it, so.
I didn't. I thought I just cracked it there. After some wiggling, I was able to get more of the exterior here out. I have it on top of this light here. So I think, there we go. With a little bit of oomph there, I was easily able to get this cap off. So now I think why this crack is here that I thought that I broke, it looks like if I take both of these bolts out here, Bri. Oh, sorry to get in your way. if I take out both of these bolts here, I think this whole piece actually comes out.
Looks like it, and then this is underneath it. Yeah, it's just, oh, this is part of it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. Like, I thought it was broken,
yeah, so
but it's just a clip there, so it looks like it's an exterior piece there. So that really wasn't all that hard to do for a first time doing it. Just take your time with it so you don't crack or break anything, and just keep wiggling and wiggling it, and hopefully this is all we have to do. I have to find the plug for this, which is looped around this plastic here somewhere.
Well, the whole thing actually comes off.
Is it attached to the light?
Looks like it. Pull it up and out. Really.
Pull it up and out. Let me disconnect these wires somehow, because I don't want to pull those out. As I just broke that tab, well, that was easy to get those out now. Unfortunately, I broke that, but that's okay. So there's two tabs right here.
Okay, that holds this onto the actual lens.
Yeah, see that?
Okay.
So I might be able to like kind of squeeze out the light.
I think
from behind it, you think? Kind of like that.
Okay.
I don't think we have to take this off.
Yeah.
Because it's actually attached to this.
Oh, this is the same as this piece.
Yeah.
This is all one piece.
So you have to wiggle it out like I just did.
Okay.
Without unplugging it, or, you know, breaking that.
Then unplug it last.
Now I got to figure out how to unplug it. Well, that was easy. Yeah.
There we go.
So there we go. So I don't think these ones say left or right on them, but it should be easy to line them up. So here is the difference between the smoked out, basically blacked out, versus the chrome. I think the hardest part was getting to it.
You want to hit your lock or unlock to
See what it looks like?
Yeah.
Is that all the way on?
Should be.
Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I guess we should have done a before and after.
We'll do a before or do an after.
Yep.
All right.
Oh crap! I hit it too many times.
And then do an after. Do it again.
Oh what?
That actually is really dim.
Wow.
That's a big difference.
Let me hit unlock so we don't start it up again. Dude, come over here.
Now, are we in the sun? Is that affecting it? Okay, in the shade as much as we can.
How come there's a
These are not LED.
these?
Or
No, there's a blank in the middle where it's just here.
the bulb is here and it's illuminating through it.
How?
So
come back here to get like a distance perspective. You can't even see that from here, dude.
Huh.
Now come. Well, here I'll move it if you stay back there.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's so much brighter.
Yeah, this diffuses this is LEDs the entire strip.
Yeah.
The other one, if we go back up and
So not only is it blacked out to give you a cooler look, but it also is functional. Like
this is, yeah, there's only one LED in here.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah, there's one LED here and all the little grooves in here diffuse the light to make it work.
Yeah.
This one is actually LED the whole way.
Dude, it's so cool how many
That's
things
awesome.
we've taken off the truck from the factory that are just not good.
Yeah,
Like
I know.
remember the taillights with
Yeah.
the turn signals?
Yeah.
These are from Tacomabeast as well. I love them. But the turn signal on the stock one was like, where is it?
Yeah.
Just like this.
It's
and
crazy.
then you go with something aftermarket and you can actually see it and have a cool look. Like
That is way better.
while it's blacked out, it's still visible during the day.
And this is like a cheap, easy mod. Like,
Hey, there's a dead spider in there.
sweet.
But yeah, this is a pretty sweet mod so far. I was not expecting to see that.
That's awesome.
So now let's go ahead and reinstall it without breaking anything else. The clip that I broke was very minor, so I'm not even gonna worry about it.
Bug. You're getting attacked by a bee. It's pollen season, guys. So just that little foam trim, just kind of, we gotta wiggle it in there. There we go.
You got it?
Yeah, just gotta get it down there.
Okay. So everything else, that just goes back into that clip there. This wire is supposed to go to a little tab that was there that I broke off.
Yeah, but even then, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, even then it's kind of just sitting there. And then we just have to put the screws on. And then I have a surprise for you guys, or a surprise, not a modification, kind of a slight change. I want to see how I like it. While I have the mirror caps off, I figured I'd go ahead and wrap them matte black. I had some leftover vinyl from when I did the bed stripes or the bed decals. And so I'm not sure if I'm going to like this or not. I just figured it might be a good, it might look cool with the blacked out turn signals and just have the whole mirror black. There's a little piece here I'm gonna have to clean off. But comment down below, let me know what you think once this is all done, because I think I wanna go a different color route. I just have this laying around, it's useless anyway, so it's actually gonna fit on the mirrors. So let's go ahead and get this wrapped. So after about an hour of wrapping, I have one mirror done, and I'm just going to try to get it to stay, just so we can at least kind of get a feel for it before I go ahead and push it back on. So that is one mirror done. I'll turn the the hazards on too.
It's gonna fall, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can definitely see this side. That's definitely looking really cool.
From here, right? I
Yeah.
can see that side from here. I can't even see this side from here.
Wow, and guys, it is actually all cloudy now, so we don't have any sun. Look how horrible that is, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, you can see the light way in there, but from the side, you can see it decently. But yeah, once you get over here, it's pretty much non-existent.
What do you think of the black, Brian?
crazy.
I'm kind of digging it.
Like, yeah, so here's a good before and after. Yeah, comment down below, guys. We can always, go back to blue or go back to black. It's pretty easy.
I want to go to another color, but not just yet.
Yeah.
But
I'm not hating it.
I
Like,
didn't want to do black mirrors because a lot of base model vehicles have black mirrors.
yeah, body color's like an upgrade.
Yeah, body color's an upgrade, but
I don't know, like,
unfortunately, or not unfortunately, I have a lot of black on the truck. depending on how you want to look at it.
Honestly, I'm liking it.
I think I'm liking it.
It looks mean.
It does.
Like this side, this looks normal. I don't know.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Because now I have to do, you know, spend another hour on that side.
It actually looks pretty rugged.
But I think I like it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to figure out how to pop this back on. It should just be a direct fitment. If you don't have vinyl, you're not covering all the tabs.
Oh yeah, and back to the light though.
Oh yeah.
You can see it in every single angle. That is ridiculously
It's
better.
very, very bright.
That's awesome.
I like it. With the cap all the way installed now, it really wasn't all that hard. I just had to do a little more trimming on the vinyl to make those tabs a little more visible. I really like how it matches with the smoked out turn signal, so everything is nice and kind of blacked out now. That's gonna wrap it up for the installation of my new LED turn signals from Tacomabeast. Definitely a huge improvement over the stock ones. And I think that with the black vinyl I did, it ties in nicely. So overall, it's a very easy project to do if you wanna go a step further and wrap your mirror caps while you're at it. I think it looks really good. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Huge shout out again to Tacomabeast.com. I'll have all their information in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.